Hello. Students always ask me what is the best way to improve English. I always say them you need to start using English language. This is the only way to become fluent, to become perfect in the language. If you really want to learn a language, you need to start using it. Until unless you will not use English language, there is no chance to become fluent, there is no chance to become proficient. I have few techniques in my mind which can be really helpful for the students to become exceptionally outstanding in using English language. The first and the most important tip is never afraid to make mistakes. Never afraid. If you are afraid of making mistakes, then there is no chance to improve your language skills. When you will make mistakes, there is a great chance to overcome all those mistakes and become good in using English language. You need to surround yourself in English. Put yourself in all English speaking environment. Try to use English language all the time with your friends, with your family members, with yourself. Start thinking in English language. The best way to improve your language skills is start speaking, start using, start practicing, and practice every day, all the time. If you can't speak every time, you need to make a plan. Decide how much time you are going to give to your language. If you are going to give at least 3 to 4 hours daily to your language learning, you are going to have proficiency in English language within no time. You need to discuss with your friends that this is your study plan and how they can help you, how they can sit with you, how can they communicate with you in English language. English language has four skills: reading, writing, speaking, and listening. And you need to improve all. They all are connected to each other. So try to improve your speaking through speaking. Keep speaking English language with your friends, with your family members, with your students, with your colleagues. If you can find a native speaker to talk with, it is going to be great. This is the best way to improve your speaking. If you want to read, read carefully, with dedication, with perfection. Keep reading and keep putting your effort in a positive way. Read and try to improve your vocabulary. Read a word, and if you are going to come across new word, write it down. Write down that word so that you can use it in your speaking. Give yourself challenge that you are going to learn at least 20 new words daily. That must be a challenge to learn 20 new words on daily basis. But if you can't learn 20 words, then go for 15. But give yourself challenge that this is what you are going to do. You will learn these words and you will use them in your own language, in your own sentences. For listening, start listening native speakers. That's very important. If you want to improve your listening, listen to the native speakers. Talk to them, watch movies, watch cartoons, watch podcast, whatever you can listen. If you have interest in science, watch science programs. If you have interest in movies, watch movies. If you have interest in environment, watch environmental programs. But keep listening a lot. Until unless you will not practice all these skills, there is no chance to improve your English language. For writing, you need to know what you are going to write, what technique you are going to use to write something. Initially, you can start with writing a story, or you can start with writing about yourself on daily basis. You can start writing your diary, and you can write about your hobbies, you can write about your future plannings, you can write about your liking and dislikings. Start with simple sentences, but with the passage of time, you need to start using difficult words, you need to start using phrases, you need to start using complex sentences, you need to start using compound sentences, you need to use uh, you need to use exceptionally outstanding uh, themes, you need to use a strong perspective in your writing. But start with uh, simple sentences. Don't go with uh, long and difficult sentences initially. It's very important because you need to correct your sentence structure first and then go for complex and compound sentences, and complex compound sentences then you can use conjunctions and adjectives, adverbs. This is how you can improve your English. Until unless you will not start using English language, there is no way to improve it. So I hope you will start using English language every time, or you can plan your time. So this is my advice. This is my tip. So I hope you will improve your language skills and you will start feeling better. Thank you so much.